You should know better. Crisscross is not having anything today. As we stand there totally crossed out, we commence to make you jump, jump. Go back down and make you jump, jump. I'm daddy Mac will make you jump, jump. Crisscross will make you jump, jump.
Hej 8. klasse, så skal vi til at lære et jump out, og det har jeg valgt, det her move, fordi at det ser rigtig sej ud, og fordi at jeg ikke selv har lavet så mange hop i min hip-hop serie. Det her jump out, det kan se lidt svært ud til at starte med, men ham her han forklarer det rigtig godt, så derfor så tror jeg, at I alle sammen kan lære det. Og jeg glæder mig til at se, hvad der kan komme ud af det i jeres 2x8 takter, som jeg sikkert lige har stået og forklaret om. Lad os kigge på, hvad han kan.
Now, a jump out is something that's usually done at the end of another move. So it's kind of like a transition move or an ending statement. So what you want to do is your leg will come out depending on which side you're jumping out to. If you're going to jump out with your right foot, you'll flick your foot forward. It comes up, and then you're out. It's kind of like a stop. So again, you'll come here, back, and jump out. But it's really quick, so you'll want to come out. And instead of most people doing it incorrectly, they'll always go this way, and it's not the same thing. You'll want to let that come up. Both your feet will jump up and out. That's why I call it the jump out. So with the same foot, left foot, you'll jump forward, up, and out. Okay, so let's just say we were putting that at the end of something, say the slide like we did the last piece. If we were sliding to the left or the right, and at the end of that we add a jump out, it will look like slide, boom, bop. All right? Or the other way, we're sliding, boom, and out. It's always something you kind of do at the end of a piece. So make sure that your foot comes up, both legs go up and out. Same one with this foot. You want to flick it up and out. And again, at the end of another combination, you're here, boom, and out. Or if you want to do it on the spin, like we did at the spin last time, you can spin and out. Other way, spin and out.
Godt. Så har vi set, hvordan man laver et jump out. Og i den forbindelse vil jeg lige rette en bemærkning mod, at ham her han fortæller op til flere gange, at et jump out er en måde at forbinde øvelser på. Så det er altså en transaktion, som han sagde. Man laver et jump out i slutningen af en øvelse, sådan at den kommer let og elegant hen til den næste øvelse i serien, uden at det kommer til at se for klodset ud. Og det har jeg også snakket lidt mere om tidligere, tror jeg, at vi skal have lavet en serie, hvor øvelserne de passer godt sammen, og hvor der er forbindelse mellem de forskellige øvelser. Så det er altså det, jeres opgave går ud på i dag, det er at finde ud af at putte et jump out ind i jeres 2x8 takter. Og jeg glæder mig rigtig meget til at se jer arbejde, og så ses vi bare. Hej hej!